Hello, once again, welcome to Shortcut Guide. And if you're new to this channel, we learn new software and how to deal with new technologies. So, in today's tutorial, I've once again brought you a tutorial or a video about how to use the communication panel in Holyrics. So, in this tutorial, I'll be using two screens. One of the screens will be this screen of the PC, of the laptop I'm using, and another second screen will be the screen of my phone. Why? Why need a phone in this tutorial? I'm going to connect the Holyrics application on my phone to my PC so that I can try to communicate with them. This helps in most cases when you are in a chat, for example, a chat which has many screens. You can put a person in one of the screens while he's connected with a phone application, and when that screen goes off, he is able to communicate to you using just on Holyrics without using any kind of data or anything like that. And he will be able to communicate to you that, hey, the screen is off. Then you'll be able to do what? To communicate back, or you try to sort out that thing. So let's dive deep into the video. So I want you to follow up my cursor, and also on my phone I'll show you some of the steps taken. So one of the things we are going to do, for example, you should download the Holyrics application on your phone. I already have it on my phone. So what you need, if you don't have it, you can download it. I also have a video about remote control. You can just go and download that video. It will help you. I think this one will be adding on that video. So how do you connect this application on your phone? First of all, I'm going to go speedy because I know most of us watch that video. You come to your phone, and when you try to click a display, you say okay. It will speak something like that. Why is it speaking something like that? You need to first connect what we may call hotspot on your phone into the PC. Yes, into the PC so that you can use it to connect or communicate with the PC. So one of the things I'm going to do, let me show you. I go to my settings, I go to my connection, and go here to hotspot tethering. I press the hotspot on, and after pressing on, I should come back to my application. And here when it comes to my Wi-Fi on my PC, I come here to my Wi-Fi, I connect to it. So this will not take away your data because now it will not need anything like data for you to connect to it. So as it connects, if you have not connected it to your PC, you come here to help, then you come to connect to channel. Yes. So you can see that here as my data my Wi-Fi is connecting, you can see that once the access is on, it will show that my no internet connection access. Or let me come here and you see no internet on my phone. I have not put that internet. That means that I will not be using the internet to communicate to my PC or the person who is using the PC to display songs in what in Holyrics. So you come here to help on the PC, and then you come here to fill the what connection, and you say yes. Windows comes with that protection thing. And when it comes to connection, I'm using my phone right now. I scan the QR code which appears on the screen, and you say that on my phone it says that server it's okay and everything, podcast is okay, problem solved, and I'll say okay. So then that the problem is solved, I can now display anything on my PC as per now. Let me just escape. If you want to know remote control, I have that video. You can just go to my channel, and in this playlist of Holyrics, you can do what? You can just watch that video. But now I'm talking about communication. So when you come back to the PC, yes, and there is something here like communication and chat, and I'm going to also talk about this embedded chat. So first of all, let's just go to the communications panel. As far as communication is concerned, mainly I'll be basing on this chat thing. This will enable you to connect. Yes, this will enable you to communicate. This is the chat, how the chat would look like. You can scan this if you're going to register a new person, but because mine is already registered here, I can do what? Because mine is already registered here, I will not need to register anything. But if there is, you can register as many as you want. For example, if you have 4 screens, you can register many people as 4 each in each room, so that when the screen goes off, it just sends you a message. So what am I going to do? I come here to chat on my phone. I come here to these 3 bars. Then I come here to communication, or you quick instead I can come here to chat, isn't it? Come to chat. And when it comes to chat, I can type anything here. I say that hi. If this is a person using a phone, I can say that hi. The screen I'm on is off. You remember that if Musafen is being put on that screen, you can just type the screen is off. Yes? Send a message. The message will come here. And this one will be able also to communicate that, hey, okay, let me come and check out. Let me come. Yes? You communicate to that person, you send a message without even spending any of your data. Can you imagine that? Without spending data, but you're sending messages, without spending the internet, not being connected to the internet, but you're sending messages via hotspot on Holyrics. Now, what makes this thing more good and surprising is that you can also send files using this communication thing. For example, if I have my files I want to send, for example, if I want to send this image, you see that it is already saying it is not only limited to only images. You can send a verse, you can send lyrics as file, not only images, but you can send audio, video, and all kinds of things on Holyrics. For example, I know that the video may take a long period of time, but you can send anything. I want you to try it on your own, and you see the image will be sent on this on the PC. Then it's able and this one is stored on your application in the Holyrics stage where they store things about from the chat. You can send messages. Even this one can be able to send a file, a song, a file, anything like that. You can send that file. Then I'll be able to send any kind of file to your phone. That means that you can use this one also to send files across a phone and what, instead of using Bluetooth. And this one is actually quicker. For example, if I will not send any file. Let me just leave it out. I want you to try it on your own, yes, so that you can explore this thing. So another thing I want to show you is that when it comes to this, back to your computer, you can just come to on your computer. When you come to Windows, you can come to this thing here, called embedded chat. First of all, mine is not currently not embedded, but you can embed this tab on the file list. For example, if I say that yes, you can see that it will appear here. You can change lyrics, what, but you can also go to what, to chat. Another thing, you can also do what, embed this thing around the screen of the lyrics, where the lyrics are. You can go to turn to the lyrics, or you can go turn to the chat. For example, if I try on my phone to send a message, hi, you see, first of all, it will come here directly. Yes, or you can also do what, embed it somewhere below the what, this file is simple as that. Now, as far as communication is concerned, leaving only this, we have this thing called as communication. Yes, there are many things here you can deal with. So I do not want to go deep into this when it comes to my computer. I do not want to go deep into, when it comes to communication, I do not want to go so deep into this communication thing, because I have little information about it. But in the future I'll be doing a video about it. That future will be all about countdown and everything. I'll give you knowledge about that thing. Countdown, these settings and this communication, I'll make sure that I do that. So for quick presentations on your computer, you can just come here and, for example, let me first delete all of this, and you communicate. You are able to do what? To change the theme, the background theme. You are able also to show automatically in how many seconds for each slide. For example, if I have many slides, how many slides, I can say repeat. I can repeat the same slides over and over after every 12 seconds, and I say show. That is so easy for us who want to show quick text. For example, when they are having things they want you to show on your computer, my phone, using this. So I would thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video about Holyrics. And if this channel has been so good, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for more videos which are coming in the future. For example, I'll talk about the countdown tools in Holyrics. Many things here to talk about. I'll talk about these things. And if you have an application which has been really disturbing you and want me to make some tutorials about it, I will request you to do so, to send a message in the comment section below, so that maybe I can be able to do what? Talk about those session so that I can be able to talk about those softwares. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And in the future, by the way, before I go, I close.